flag.
Yeah, it's the way. It's the way. Wavykid. Yeah, it's the way. It's the way. It's the way.
Do y'all want to say anything?
Make sure you subscribe.
YouTube, let's go, man. We got another old video that been in the archives, okay? We just bringing them all out at this point because I'm trying to, I got the People to Go review coming soon. It's just taking a little bit longer because I've been real busy, so I'm trying to blow out some videos for y'all just to give y'all something to watch, okay? But this first tutorial, I said before this first tutorial, first thing we're gonna do in this haircut, okay? Just get it prepped to cut, comb it all out and lift them waves up. Now we got the one guard open. If you don't know how to cut waves, basically what you want to do is ask your client how they brush their hair and just go with the clipper the same way, like in the same pattern that they brush. So now as a waver, you want to brush that hair right back down. You don't want nothing to be lifted up. That's the number one waver's goal, to have for the hairs, for it to be laid. Now we're gonna start this high taper. We're gonna do a ball guideline using my Babyliss Rose Gold FX's. You can tell this is old. I don't even use these clippers anymore, man. For real. And I use my old steps in this one too, so yeah. Now I'm using my shaver, just cleaning up that bottom area, getting it bald as possible. Now I'm using my lever open on my custom FX's, going up about a real ½ inch, not going up too high. Now I got my one guard open, going up another ½ inch. Okay, when you blend it with waves, it's going to be hard to see the guideline, but just go up another ½ inch. Okay, just try to stay true to your guidelines and how wide they are. Now I'm just debulking my 2-guard open. I'm going to close that lever after a couple times going out with the 2-guard open. I'm going to go with the 2-guard closed. Now you see me with the 2-guard closed, just going up in that top wave. Now I got my 1-guard open again, using my corners. Okay, it might not look like it, but I am. Okay, use your corners, especially blending in waves. It's going to be hard to see the blend, so make sure you use them corners and just get real surgical with your blends. And don't go too high because you do not want to raise the fade. Now using my 0-guard close, kind of stretching the skin with that thumb on top of the head. And y'all see this autofocus is horrible. I know. This is an older video, like I said. Yeah, so I'm good at the autofocus now. I know what angles to hit, but this one was older, so it's kind of all out of whack. Now I'm using my lever close with no guard. Just flicking at that bottom line, and you cannot see none of it. Man, this autofocus sucks. Okay, but I promise y'all, the newer tutorials I got is gonna be way higher quality. Okay. As y'all can see, this taper is blurry. We need some detail work, so I always get a different clipper just to give myself a different perspective. Okay. Yeah, so right now I got the 1-guard on, just doing some detail work, trying to blend in that wave a little bit more. Now we're doing the back taper. You just want to do the same exact steps. Alright, y'all, now it's time for the lineup. You already know I like to knock my lineups down shorter than the rest. So right now I got the one guard closed because I did a 1.5 with the rest of the weight of the hair. So I'm using my one guard clothes going on the tips of the edge up. Now I'm gonna spray some hairspray, lock them hairs down, and get the skin dry and prepared for me to line it up and to leave that ashy ash line. If that makes any sense, I hope it makes sense. But basically, just gonna give it a more crispy look. Okay, so I sprayed it down, brushed it in, sprayed it down, and now I'm about to blow dry it in, and then I'm gonna line it up. Alright, y'all, now y'all see me using my Andis Masters to do the freehand trim. I'm using these clippers because you can hear almost like every hair you cut. So any waver, you just want to make sure you do this and get all them hairs that's sticking up, just to clean the waves off basically and give it a more laid down look. Okay. Alright, y'all seen the beginning, y'all seen what he looked like before. But you already know Wavykid had to do his thing again, especially for a young waver. Alright, make sure y'all follow me and my beat maker on Instagram at @forwardflagging and at Wavykid. Alright, y'all, this is the cut. Make sure y'all like it, comment, and subscribe. Alright, let me know what y'all think. This is an older video, okay, but this cut was still fire. Yeah, like these tapers is super blurry. But yeah, let me know what y'all think. It's your boy Wavykid. I'm out. Deuces.